Let's solve the following linear inequality. So here we are given that the absolute value of 3x minus 4 divided by 2. So that's less than or equals to 5 over 12. Now, from the definition of absolute value, we immediately get two cases. So case number 1, if 3x minus 4 is divided by 2 is greater than 0, then we can say that the absolute value of 3x minus 4 divided by 2, that will be equals to 3x minus 4 divided by 2. Then our inequality will become 3x minus 4 divided by 2, which is less than or equals to 5 over 12. Now let's transpose 5 over 12 to the left hand side. So this gives us 3x minus 4 divided by 2 minus 5 over 12 less than or equals to 0. Now we'll combine the two terms. The common denominator will be 12. So we have 2 times 6 is 12. So we'll multiply 6 to 3x minus 4. So we have 6 times 3 is 18. So we have 18x minus 6 times 4, that's 24, minus 5. So this is less than or equals to 0. And this gives us that we have 18x minus 29 divided by 12 less than or equals to 0. So what we'll do, we'll multiply both sides with positive 12. And in doing so, the sign of the inequality is not going to get affected because 12 is a positive number. So this gives us 18x minus 29 less than or equals to 0. Transposing 29 to the right hand side, we have 18x less than or equals to 29. And we will now divide both sides with positive 18. And also, again, dividing by a positive number does not affect the sign of the inequality. So we will get x is less than or equals to 29 divided by 18. So this is the solution to case number 1. So let's label this as number 1. Now we'll go to the second case when the value 3x minus 4 over 2 is less than 0. So case number 2, we have 3x minus 4 divided by 2 is less than 0, then this means that the absolute value of 3x minus 4 over 2 will be replaced with negative 3x minus 4 divided by 2. Now, our inequality will become negative of 3x minus 4 divided by 2, so that's less than or equals to 5 over 12. Let's multiply with negative, so we have negative 3x plus 4 divided by 2, and we'll transpose 5 over 12 to the left hand side to get negative 5 over 12 less than or equals to 0. We'll combine them to get 12, and in the numerator we have 18x plus 24 minus 5 less than or equals to 0. So this gives us negative 18x plus 20, this is going to be 19 divided by 12 less than or equals to 0. Now we will do is we are going to multiply both sides with positive 12. In doing so, the sign of the inequality is not going to get affected because 12 is a positive number. This is going to give us negative 18x plus 19 is less than or equals to 0. Transposing 19 to the right hand side gives us negative 18x less than or equals to negative 19. Now what we'll do, we'll divide both sides with negative 18, but this time we'll have to be careful. So whenever we divide by a negative number, then in that case, let's say dividing by negative 18, so the sign of the inequality changes. So it will become greater than or equals to negative 19 divided by negative 18, which gives us x greater than or equals to 19 over 18. So this is number 2. So this is the value of x, which is for case number 2. So in case number 1, we obtain x is less than or equals to 29 over 18. And in number 2, we have obtained x is greater than or equals to 19 over 18. So that means, let's write it down. X is greater than or equals to 19 over 18, or x is less than or equals to 29 over 18. So if we combine them, that means x belongs to 19 over 18 to 29 over 18, and this is going to be in a closed interval. So this is the solution to the given linear inequality.